How to FaceTime or call people from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the FaceTime application on your iPhone. Once you're in the app, you will see a list of your recent and suggested contacts. Find the person you want to connect with, and tap on the video icon as shown to start a call. The call screen will appear, showing that it is connecting. Once the call is connected, you can interact with the other person using your camera and microphone. You can also switch between the front and rear cameras, or mute your microphone while continuing to use other apps during the conversation. To end the conversation, simply tap on the cross icon at the bottom to end the call. The app will then return you to the recent call screen, where you can review your call history or start another FaceTime call. Following these steps, you can easily FaceTime or call people from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.